On this project we're going to be making a wall key holder, out of scrap wood. It's going to be 20 inches long by 6.5 wide. Start by marking the circle. I will be using a 1-gallon paint can, as a template. The tip on the key will be 3-inch wide. Mark the teeth on any size and design you'll like. This is for decoration only. Using a jigsaw, begin cutting the wood following the lines, and remove the excess wood. I am using 3/4 inch plywood. Follow the same steps all around the key. We will work on the teeth at the end. The round circle, it doesn't have to be perfect, we can always sand it down at the end. Now it's time to work on the key teeth, using the jigsaw, following the template we previously marked. Remember to always let any power tool go to its full speed before cutting, in this case the jigsaw. Once the key is all cut out, I will be using a 1.5 inch spade bit. I previously sanded down using 320 grit sandpaper, and rounded the edges, removing the sharp areas. I will be using charcoal gray spray can. 3 coats will be enough. Remember to keep a distance when spraying metallic paint, or you will notice dark spots, and they won't go away. I couldn't find the hooks that I needed, so I had to open the loops to make them wider. Let it dry for about 24 hours. I mark 1 inch from the edge, pre-drill holes. I will be installing the hooks 3 inches apart. You can install as many as you like. After marking all the holes, I started installing the hooks using a pair of pliers. Sometimes they get hard to screw in. With all the hooks in place, this is what the key holder will look like. Now you can mount it on the wall, and never misplace your keys again. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.